Welcome back to What Extent. My name is Pihika and today I'm going to tell 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to music lovers. So let's get started. The first word is melody. Sentence: the song has a beautiful melody that stays in your mind. Synonyms: tune, song. Antonyms: noise, discord. The next word is rhythm. Sentence: the dancers move perfectly to the rhythm of the music. Synonyms: beat, tempo. Antonyms: sly, silence, stillness. The next word is perform. Sentence: the band will perform live at the concert tonight. Synonyms: present, execute. Antonyms: watch, observe. The next word is instrument. Sentence: the guitar is my favorite musical instrument. Synonyms: tool, device. Antonyms: voice, vocal. The next word is concert. Sentence: we bought tickets to see our favorite artist in concert. Synonyms: performance, show. Antonyms: rehearsal, practice. The next word is audience. Sentence: the audience applauded loudly after the performance. Synonyms: crowd, spectators. Antonyms: performers, artists. The next word is harmony. Sentence: the choir song is perfect harmony. Synonyms: agreement, unity. Antonyms: discord, conflict. The next word is rehearse. Sentence: the actors rehearse their lines before the play. Synonyms: practice, prepare. Antonyms: improvise, wing it. The next word is talent. Sentence: she has natural talent for singing. Synonyms: skill, ability. Antonyms: inability, weakness. The next word is entertain. Sentence: the comedian knows how to entertain a crowd. Synonyms: amuse, delight. Antonyms: bore, tire. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: harmony. Your challenge: share your favorite music genres or instrument in the comment. Also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Also try making new sentences in these words and share in the comment. Bye bye.